Have or have got. What is difference? Have in positive sentence. Subject plus have or has plus object. For example, I have a car. He has a car. Have got in positive sentence. Subject plus have got, has got plus object. For example, I have got a book. He has got a book. Have in negative sentence. Subject plus do not or does not plus have plus object. For example, I don't have a car. He doesn't have a car. Have got in negative sentence. Subject plus have not, has not plus got plus object. For example, I haven't got a book. He hasn't got a book. Have in question sentence. Do or does plus subject plus have. For example, do you have a car? Does he have a car? Have got in question sentence. Have or has plus subject got. For example, have you got a book? Has he got a book?